camera. Shoes. Dance, dance, dance. Dance sila ni ate. Be careful, baby D, ha? Maybe ate is hungry. She will eat you. Ala, she's eating na. She's gonna eat you. She's gonna eat you, baby D.
No.
See, baby D, she will eat you.
I will never eat my baby.
See, this is baby D. See how handsome my baby D is. That's my baby D. And these are my family. That's my family. And these are my two sisters. And this is the bear. This is me. Choose first. Okay. Huwag naman masyado malakas. Kahit may hilo yan. Okay, I'll make milk na. Kate, you'll get busy.
Hinahinang mo. Lie down na tikat. Lie down na tikat. Shush! Sit down.
And this is my ate Haiwan.
Papa.
Sus, pakit naman. Ang pangit naman.
Bobo. Here we go, pa. Bobo.
Uy.
Lie down, tikat, lie down.
Lie down. Aiwa. Here, Baba, look. Let me see the color of my eyes this time. It's that blue. Outside, his eyes was blue, Kate.
Ano ba yan? Baba! Best friend is coming with us tomorrow, okay?
I don't care. I don't care about best friend.
Nagagalit sa pagkasama ko sa best friend.
Okay. Barb na, barb. Oh, sus. Barb. Tap the back.
Pwet ni Mami nag-barb.
No, this is the one. Okay. Ate's the one sleepy. Oh, shush. Ate's the one sleepy, no? Daud. Look at the muscle. How big. It's just so taba. Baba, yaya, you see my injection, Baba. Yay.
I don't like, okay.
Very good. You're very moody, just like your father, huh? You're very moody, just like your father.
Asyos naman tong batata na to.